Shoulders. In the shoulders in the top tier SFMA, I'm going to discuss two different patterns. We have pattern 1, we have pattern 2. One is going to take the shoulder through flexion, external rotation. The other one's going to go through internal rotation and extension. So what I want to do is I want to have her face the back, that way we can see. So what I want to have you do, let's start with pattern 1. Pattern 1 is going to be coming up and under. I want you to see, take your left hand, see if you can touch the bottom of your shoulder blade. So I'm looking, one, can she actually get to the bottom spine of her scapula there with good clean motion without winging scapula. So shoulder blade, not in love with that. I'm going to call this one dysfunctional. Is there any pain? Dysfunctional, non-painful. Let's look at the right shoulder. Same thing with the scapula. I don't know if you can see, but there's some winging here. I don't love the scapular position. She can meet the criteria of touching the shoulder blade, but I'm just not in love with that. So I'm going to call both of her patterns 1. Any pain? Dysfunctional, non-painful. If she was able to, if the scapula good, flush to the rib cage, nice clean pattern to touch, that's what we're looking for to be functional. So since the scapula is not in a good position and there's some motor control issues going on, I'm just going to go ahead and call that dysfunctional. Now we're going to look at pattern 2. Pattern 2, we're going to go up and over. So I want her to reach up and over. Shoulder blade stays in a good position. She gets full motion. She gets the criteria. Is there any pain? No pain. So I'm going to call that one functional, non-painful. Let's go ahead and check the right. Same thing, I didn't see any shrug. Scapula looks good here. Is there any pain? I'm going to call this one functional, non-painful. So pattern 1, scapula not in a good position with her, no pain. Bilateral dysfunction. And then we've got over the top, no pain, bilateral function. So functional, non-painful. That's our shoulder top tier SFMA tests.